Hey everyone, Michelle here from Homeschooling in the Pines. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am co-hosting a collaboration with April from the Simple Rocket Path that is called Hands-On Collab. What we are going to be doing, we're going to be sharing a book with our children. I'm going to be sharing a book with my preschooler Lincoln. And we are going, after we read the book, we're going to be doing an activity. It could either be a math activity, a literacy activity, a craft, a cooking activity, just to pair it with the book. So when April asked me to co-host this collaboration with her, I was really excited because I love to read books with my little one, but I really haven't done many activities to go with the books. And now that we're gonna be starting preschool, doing some more preschool this school year, this is gonna be great as a beginning. Just kind of to begin what we're going to be doing more in our preschool time. Okay, so make sure when you're done watching this video, go check the playlist below so you can see everyone that's participating in this collaboration, and also make sure to check April's channel for more amazing homeschooling ideas. Okay, so the book that we're going to be reading is Pete the Cat and the 4 Groovy Buttons. If you haven't heard of Pete the Cat, you need to check him out. These stories are fun, and a lot of the books, Pete the Cat, are very predictable books. They follow a pattern, and it's really good for kids that are beginning readers. My son he doesn't know how to read yet, but he can read this book all by himself. He loves Pete the Cat because it's so predictable. Usually have songs that you can sing with them. So check Pete the Cat by James Dean. So they're really fun. So we are going to be doing a math activity to go with this book. So what we are going to need for this, we're going to need a shirt, Pete the Cat shirt that I cut out of felt. We're going to need some groovy buttons to go with our activities. So pick out, my daughter had a bag full of, buttons for crafts and stuff. So I was able to grab some from her bag. And a die. Okay, I got this last year at the dollar store, and they have empty dry erase, and I wrote it, but they got erased, the numbers 1 to 6 on the die. Okay, so like I said, it's going to be a math activity. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to present Lincoln with the shirt, Pete the Cat shirt. He's familiar with the story, so he knows about his groovy buttons, and we're going to put buttons on the shirt. Okay, and then we are going to roll our dice, and whatever number comes out, he's going to read the number, then he's going to take out the number of buttons that says on the dice, and then we'll do it again. Once the shirt is empty, we are going to use the dice to put the buttons back on the shirt. So this is a great activity for kids to practice those beginning math skills. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be reading the story with my son, and then we're going to share how we did the activity. Lincoln, what book are we going to read today?
Pete the Cat.
And what is the name of this one? His 4 Groovy Buttons. Do you like this book?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's one of your favorites, huh? Are you going to help me read it?
Yeah.
After we read the book, we're going to do a fun activity, okay? You know this book. You know it really well, but then we're going to do an activity after we read it, okay?
I didn't know the pig and the elephant.
Yeah. Okay, Pete the Cat and his 4 Groovy Buttons. Love Pete the Cat. Okay, you stop jumping? Okay. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. What's the song?
My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons.
Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons pop off and roll away. How many buttons are left? How many are left?
3.
What's that say? 4.
4 plus 4.
Minus 1 equals what?
3.
3.
Just go.
Did pig cry?
Goodness, no.
Buttons come and buttons.
Go.
He kept on singing his song. My button, my button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my button, my 1 groovy button.
Pop.
Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? How many?
0.
0. Where is he in this picture?
At the beach.
He's at the beach. My button. Still have my belly button. My button. My button. Still have my belly button. I get it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry?
Goodness, no.
We keep on singing.
Look at the buttons.
How many buttons does this shirt have? How many?
Ooh, 4. 1, 2, 3.
With us, we have read Pete the Cat many times, and he knows this story by heart. But we have never done an activity. So today we are going to do a math activity, okay? So Lincoln, the first thing Lincoln's gonna do is gonna put all the buttons in Pete's shirt, okay? So is that Pete's shirt? What color is Pete's shirt?
Blue.
What color is Pete's shirt in the book?
Yellow.
Is it the same color?
No.
No. Okay, and we're going to roll it, okay? Can you roll the dice for mommy? Or the die for mommy? What number?
3.
3. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna take out 3 buttons. Can you take out 3 buttons?
1, 2, 3.
Good job. Can you do it again? Can you roll the die again? What number?
2.
2. How many buttons are you gonna take off?
2.
2 buttons. Good job.
Like the story.
Like the story.
1, 2.
Good job. Let's do it again. How many buttons are left on his shirt? How many do we have?
0.
0.
That could be 0 here.
How about we put them back on the shirt? You want to do it again, and then we're gonna put them back. So let's do the dice again. Let's do the die again. Let's do it again. Roll it. What number did you roll?
2.
2. So how many buttons are we gonna put on the shirt?
2.
2. Okay, put 2.
1, 2.
Good job. Okay. Do it again. What number?
1.
1.
This button has glass.
It has grass.
Glass.
Oh, glass. Okay. Put
Yeah,
how many buttons are you gonna put on here? How many?
1.
1. Okay.
1.
Let's do it again. So this activity is great to practice counting, to practice addition, to practice subtraction. You can just take the buttons out and you can put some buttons on the shirt and have the kid count it. Lincoln, can you count the buttons on the shirt? How many buttons does he have? And make sure they have one-on-one correspondence. Count.
This,
Can you count? 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. 5, 4. Okay, you're working on identifying numbers. You can put the buttons, have them count, have some like number cards with 3 different numbers, and have them choose the one that's the amount that you're showing them. Okay. Do you have fun doing this activity? Lincoln, here, look at the camera. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, thank you so much for watching. It's kind of close over here, but if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and make sure you look at the playlist below so you can see what all the wonderful ladies who book activities they are doing. I'm so excited to see everyone's activities so I can get more activities for Lincoln and I to do together. Okay? So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.